Hi there and welcome back to the channel. This evening I've got Pepe, the Twingo, in my carport. I'm currently replacing the radiator for Mike. Hit a snag where the bleeders on the pipes, one's actually sheared off and is leaking a little bit. This one's fine. So these little things here basically allow you to get rid of the air when you're bleeding. So I've got to try and sort out that, either a repair or we get two replacement pipes. The radiator is there and it's definitely been leaking right down that bottom. There's no doubt about that. The colour of the water was brown basically. So I don't think it actually had a coolant change in quite some time. So yeah, just going through that. I'm also going to be replacing the suspension on Pepe as well as part of this. It's very, as I say, it's very low. It shouldn't be as low as that. It should actually be quite sort of up quite a bit. If you again look at all the literature and everything on the pictures when they were brand new, there was quite a decent height between the wheel and the actual wheel arch. When I did my Twingo, the Twingo, it raised the whole car up and it handles beautifully now. So yeah, and I'm also going to give this all a bit of a clean as well. Give everything there for Mike once I'm done. So yeah, this is an engine I know very well. I've had plenty of Renault 5s, Renault 11s with this engine, mainly the 1.4 turbos or 1.4s. So yeah, not the 1.1s. Was it C3J engine? I think. Somebody can correct me in the comments. Yeah, so in the comments below, let me know what it is. I think it's a C3J engine. The C1J was the one in the Renault 5s and the 11s. This is the single point fuel injection system, whereas the other ones were carburetors. So yeah, so I'm just going to get on with that. I've got to take the bumper off and then bolt the other two. Take the bolts out the bottom. Again, take the front bumper off here so I can get to the bolts. That will probably be done tomorrow because I've sort of done this arse about face. I should have really done the bolts first and then done the water. Well, I've got to wait for the water to dry, to evaporate and go, which is fine. I've got plenty of time to do this. Mike's taken my Twingo GT so we can get back home. So yeah, I've got literally a car full of parts and all sorts in there, so yeah. So I'm going to keep on doing this. I'll do small videos on these ones rather than a big sprawling 50-minuter as we go along. Okay, well, keep an eye out. I'll be putting some more videos out about Pepe and all the things I'm doing to it as we go over the next few weeks. So like, share and subscribe. I'm a small channel and I appreciate all the support. And new content coming soon.